How to trim a voice memo iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome to another quick and easy tutorial. For today, I'll show you how to trim a voice memo iPhone. Let's get started by going to the Voice Memos app. And on here, under all recordings, just simply tap the recording or the voice memo you'd like to trim. So let's say this one. As you can see, it gives me lots of options after I tapped on it. And all you have to do next is tap on the three dot icon on the right top corner of this, and then tap on Edit Recording from this pop-up. On here, as you can see, we have this crop symbol at the right top corner of this page. Just tap on that, and then just simply slide through this section right here at the bottom to trim or delete a part. So let's say you want to like trim the beginning of the voice memo, just simply drag it all the way to the right. Depends how long the voice memo or part of the voice memo you'd like to cut. Let's say I want to trim just that part and keep this whole thing, and just simply tap trim here. And there you have it. The recording has been trimmed. If you want to trim something or a part from the end, do the same thing, but this time move this to the left. And as you can see, my voice memo is now just 8 minutes or 7 minutes 30 seconds. And once you're happy with the length of your voice memo, just simply tap trim again. And then don't forget to tap save at the right top corner of the page to make sure all the changes are saved. So tap on that, and as you can see, from like a 12-minute recording, it's now down to 7 minutes after I trimmed some parts in the beginning and at the end. But that's how easy it is to trim a voice memo on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.